Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful trend continuation setups for pocket option, the Parabolic SAR plus Fractals breakout strategy. This setup helps you catch clean breakouts right after small consolidations using just two simple indicators, Parabolic SAR and Fractals. Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, you'll love how clear and visual this method is for spotting perfect entries. So stay with me till the end. I'll explain the setup step by step, with live examples and real market conditions you can apply today. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next profitable trading setup. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading involves risk and may result in loss of capital. Always practice on a demo account first and trade only with money you can afford to lose. I am not providing financial or investment advice. All right, traders, let's break down this setup step by step so you can master it and start applying it confidently on pocket option. And make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be showing both indicator settings there, so don't miss that part. The Parabolic SAR tells us the trend direction, and the fractals show key reversal points, the highs and lows where price has paused or turned. When you combine both, you get a system that helps you catch breakouts in the direction of the trend. Simple, visual, and powerful. Use a candlestick chart and set your time frame to 30 seconds. Each trade will have a 1-minute expiry. That's the sweet spot for precision and quick momentum trades. It gives you fast confirmations while still filtering out noise from ultra-short movements. Now here's how to take a sell trade. Parabolic SAR dots must be above the candles, confirming a downtrend. Wait for the candle to close below the last lower fractal. When that happens, and Parabolic SAR dots are still above, enter a sell trade at candle close. For a buy trade, it's just the opposite. Make sure the Parabolic SAR dots are below the candles. That confirms an uptrend. Then, wait for price to break and close above the most recent upper fractal. Enter a buy trade right after that close. Expiry 1 minute. Always wait for a full candle close beyond the fractal level. Don't rush entries when price just touches it. And to make things easier, I've created a free strategy PDF checklist. You can download it from my Telegram link in the description and keep it open while you trade. Now that you know the rules, let's go deeper into the charts and spot these setups in live trading. Let's jump straight into the chart. Here's the exact moment the buy setup formed. Notice how the Parabolic SAR dots are positioned below the candles, confirming a strong upward trend. The fractal pattern also shows a clear stair-step structure, with higher highs and higher lows forming perfectly. When a candle breaks and closes above the last upper fractal, that's our confirmation signal. At that point, I entered a buy position right after the breakout, following all the rules of this strategy. Once the trade was placed, you can see how the market continued to push upward. The candles stayed above the Parabolic SAR dots, showing that the trend remained strong and momentum was intact. Each new candle formed confidently without hesitation. This is what a healthy continuation move looks like. When you get this kind of steady follow-through, it's a good sign that the analysis was correct and the trend is supporting your entry. And here's how the trade played out. It closed successfully in the same upward direction. The price moved smoothly with no reversal signals, confirming the power of combining Parabolic SAR trend direction with fractal breakouts. Now let's look at a perfect sell setup. The Parabolic SAR dots have shifted above the candles, confirming a clear downtrend. You can see a smooth sequence of lower highs and lower lows, showing that sellers are in full control. As soon as the candle broke and closed below the most recent lower fractal, it confirmed momentum continuation. At that point, I entered a sell position, following the exact strategy rules. Trend confirmed, breakout validated, and all conditions aligned. Right after entry, notice how the market continued to move downward with strength. Every new candle formed lower, staying well beneath the Parabolic SAR dots, a sign that the downtrend remained strong. There's no sign of hesitation or reversal here, just consistent bearish momentum. This is the type of confirmation we want, where the Parabolic SAR and price move in sync, showing that our breakout entry was on point. Here's how the move completed. The candles extended even further in the same direction, closing firmly in profit zone. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly look at both indicator settings. And the best part is, you don't need to change anything manually. On Pocket Option, both Fractal and Parabolic SAR come with perfectly balanced default settings. So just add these two indicators to your chart. No adjustments required. The default setup already gives accurate breakout points and clear trend direction. Exactly how we used it throughout this video. That's the complete setup for our Parabolic SAR plus Fractals breakout strategy. It's simple, visual, and easy for anyone to follow. Always practice first on a demo account, stay patient, and trade responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other traders. Don't forget, you can download the free strategy PDF checklist from my Telegram link in the description below, so you can review all the rules anytime. Thanks for watching, traders. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video, only on Sam Trading Strategies.